Range Rovers equipped with the Personal Telephone Integration System, or PTI, are Bluetooth ready. This means your vehicle may be used with many Bluetooth-enabled mobile phones. Confirm that the cell phone has Bluetooth technology. Consult the phone's instruction manual. Your Land Rover retailer can also provide you a list of recommended phones. Make sure that the cell phone's Bluetooth feature is turned on. Instructions may be found in the phone's owner's manual. A cell phone's Bluetooth feature must first be paired with your Range Rover's PTI system before they can be used together. This means that the vehicle and the phone must have an established communications channel. Only one pairing is ever required for a particular cell phone to be used with your Range Rover's PTI system. To begin pairing, ensure the ignition is on and the phone is within 10 feet of the vehicle. Make sure the Bluetooth feature on your phone is turned on. Even though your phone may have Bluetooth technology, you must turn on this feature to continue with the setup. Start the search function on the phone. This process varies by manufacturer, so consult the cell phone's owner's manual for further details. Land Rover will appear on the cell phone's device list and should be selected. The cell phone will request the Bluetooth access code. Enter the pairing code 2121 on the phone. The pairing code may differ with Land Rover accessory or aftermarket Bluetooth kits. In these cases, consult your navigation and telephone systems manual or your Land Rover sales guide for the correct code. Once the code is accepted, the Bluetooth system can be used. With the cell phone turned on and the Bluetooth feature enabled, it's possible to put the phone anywhere in the vehicle and place or receive calls by using the vehicle's telephone interface, including its hands-free voice recognition system. Range Rover's Bluetooth feature has a 30-foot range around the vehicle. This means that those phones with an Auto Connect feature will automatically transfer a call to your Range Rover when the phone finds itself within Bluetooth range. Please be sure to check your phone user guide to understand and manage this feature. Range Rover's phone mode may be accessed by pressing the phone button or the icon on the home menu. If the radio is playing, press the RT button on the steering wheel to activate phone mode. To place a call, you may input the number directly into the phone's keypad and press send. A call may be ended using the handset by pressing End on the screen or by pressing the RT button on the steering wheel. To place a call with the touchscreen, enter the number. Press C to correct or clear incorrect numbers, then press Send. The phone icon flashes when the call is active and the phone will ring. To end a call, press End. To answer a call, press Send. An incoming call can be rejected by pressing End. Range Rover's voice recognition provides a hands-free operation of the telephone. Voice recognition works best when the doors, windows, and sunroof are closed and there is no background noise. Voice recognition understands predefined commands which need to be given exactly word for word. These commands can be found in the Navigation and Telephone Systems manual. To activate voice recognition, press the voice control button and hold until you hear a tone, and listening appears in the message center. Release the button and say the command.
Phone, dial 555-1212.
If a command is not recognized, voice recognition will say,
Command not recognized.
A command can be interrupted by pressing the voice control button again. Command canceled will appear in the message center.
Command cancelled.
The voice control button must be activated before every new voice command, except during a dialogue. It's best to become familiar with voice recognition before using it on the road.